Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and guests.
Good evening.
How did I, Bhaskaran Brahman, reach Petrofac Sadra? What are the key characteristics made me come to Petrofac? Would you like to know?
Yes.
Here it goes. I was born in the pearl of the Indian Ocean, Sri Lanka. My father was an engineering manager, and I was fortunate enough to study in two of the most popular schools in Sri Lanka. One's St. Thomas's College, where I studied till my O-levels, and for my A-levels, I went to Royal College. As I was the only child, my father had a watchful eye on me. But he never forced me to do anything which I didn't like. My mum was my personal tutor and coach, guided me every step of the way till I reached my A-levels. In Sri Lanka, we have the free education system. That meant you had to do well in your 12th exam to enter university. I did well in my exams and managed to get engineering, where I studied for 4 years. In school and in university, I was involved in sports as well. In school, I played cricket and tennis. Went on to play tennis in university, where I captained the university tennis team. And I also played for a club in Colombo, where I continued playing tennis because I loved it. After finishing my studies, I joined one of the multinationals in the clothing industry. Our company was part of Sara Lee Incorporated, which was a Fortune 100 company. That is where I learned about the brand. The price at which we used to sell our products to the brand was only 10% of the market value. 90% of the premium which the customer pays is on the brand or on the label. So as professionals, we should also know that our skills and knowledge are only 10%. 90% depends on how others perceive you. So as professionals, we should develop a unique brand. That I learned from the clothing industry. I worked there for 2 to 3 years. Then I got an opportunity to do my MSc in Royal Holloway in University of London in UK. The university was 1 hour's drive from central London, close to Windsor Castle. That's where I had the exposure of all the cultures. My halls of residence had 3 Greeks, 2 Iranians, 1 British, 1 Mexican, 1 Malaysian, 1 Chinese, and 1 Sri Lankan. I used to love the environment. We used to have philosophical debates at 3 o'clock in the morning. I used to love my stay there. Once I finished my master's, I was returning back to Sri Lanka. For 2 reasons. I had a very good job in Sri Lanka, and my manager wanted me to come. So my job was secured. I wanted to go back. Second important thing was, I wanted to get married to my girlfriend, whom I had known for 6 years. So I was going back to Sri Lanka. On the way, before I was leaving, for 1 week before I was leaving, my uncle called from UAE, asking me to come to UAE as there were good opportunities. So I came to UAE, looked out for good jobs, and managed to get a good job opportunity in J. Ray McDermott, and then went back home, got married. And my wife is an IT professional, and she's a very good chess player as well. She was the number 2 ranked chess player in Sri Lanka. I believe she is very good in chess, because the moment I saw her, it was checkmate. I always wanted a daughter, but I have been very unfortunate. Ended up with 3 naughty sons. After working for 8 years in UAE, we decided to go back because I wanted my kids to have the same foundation I had in Sri Lanka. At least in the early age, for 3 to 4 years, I wanted them to study in Sri Lanka. So we went back, decided to go back, and I again joined the clothing industry where I worked for 2 to 3 years. Then again, I was recommended by one of the project directors in Petrofac, whom I had known in J.M. McDermott, and that is how I again landed in Petrofac Sharjah. And what are the key characteristics of Brahman? 2 I have. One is knowledge seeking. I study anything and everything. I see the knowledge seeking process is very important. Getting jobs, getting good salary, position, and the status, all are byproducts of the knowledge seeking process. If you seek knowledge, you will achieve everything. Number 2, sports and fun loving. I used to love sports. I used to like Brian Charles Lara in cricket and Roger Federer in tennis. I've seen many a match when they come out all guns blazing when the chips are down. So knowledge seeking and fun loving are the 2 key characteristics which made Brahman Bhaskaran come to Petrofac Sharjah all the way from Sri Lanka. Thank you.